How to use ChatGPT for project management. Hey guys, this video will be about ChatGPT and how it can be a valuable member of your team when doing project management related tasks. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, we know ChatGPT is an AI powered chatbot developed by OpenAI, and it's trained to understand and generate human like text based input. So it's like having a virtual assistant on our fingertips, as you may say. They're really ready to help us with our different ranges of tasks, from questions, inquiries, etc. So here, we will be using it for project management related ones. So we're gonna try to use this innovative approach, okay? So by using ChatGPT, so we can more or less streamline our processes, enhance our means of managing the task, being able to get better outcomes, suggestions, etc. Okay, so ready? Let's go dive into ChatGPT. First off, let's open ChatGPT's website. So you can log in using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account, or just register using your email. Now, once this loads up, so you can see the interface here. There's a chat box where you can type in your prompts, your questions, your instructions. At this point, so we should take into consideration what information we will be typing in. So to be able to get the best answer, you should include as much detail or be specific with your instructions to get the best results. Okay, so now before we further go into this AI tool, so let's discuss how we can use Chat GPT for project management. Okay, first up, let's say task management, or when you want to distribute the tasks for your team. So you can actually ask ChatGPT to log your different tasks for each of the members of your team. So you will be able to have an idea who's handling which. Okay. So let's try doing a sample of this. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can type in. So I am going to make a task management project. Take down notes on the schedules that I will be typing. Okay. Okay, let's use that first. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. So sure, I'm here to help whenever you're ready. Provide the schedules and other information related to your project. Feel free to type them out and I'll take down notes. Okay. So let's say Sunday will be the event proper. Event proper. Monday will be our general meeting. This will be led by Richard. And we will be talking about topics regarding the suppliers and the client guest list. Okay. Also, meeting would start at 8 a.m. and another meeting before the end of the night, before the end of the day, around, let's say, 3 p.m. Okay, so more or less, here's the schedule for Monday. Let's type another thing. So let's say you remember that Thursday will be the uh final preparations for the, let's say, Preparations for the delivery of supplies from our selected suppliers. This is led by, let's say, Charlie. We will need sure that the suppliers deliver their products on time today. Let's say until Friday. Latest latest delivery should be would be Friday morning. Then Friday will be, or Saturday will be the general setup of the event. And what do you call this? Rehearsals or run through? Rehearsals, okay, let's say. Okay, so what days have I skipped? Say Tuesday. Tuesday and Wednesday will be uh team meetings with clients and suppliers every 10 a.m., 3 p.m. Okay, that's it. What else do we need to do? Saturdays then? So Sunday will be the event proper. Let's say John R will lead the opening, lead the opening the preparations for the morning team, and Sarah will lead the team during the event proper. The event shall promptly start at 10 a.m. and end at around 7 p.m. Julie will be leading the closing and post event activities. Okay. Okay, so I think I've been able to type in the whole week. So let's try asking ChatGPT if he remembers everything. Can you give me a summary of this week event schedule in a table form? Okay, so here he lists it out per day. So Monday is general meeting. Tuesday, our team meeting with clients. Wednesday, Thursday, our final preparations. Friday will be nothing. Saturday is general setup of events. Sunday is for the morning team, event proper closing. So maybe you forgot to type in Friday. So let's say add the, what else can we do? Hmm, I know. Do we need to do finalize? Add the task. Finalize the billing and payments on Friday. Okay. See. Okay. So that's it. So here we were able to do a short uh scheduling table to ensure that your tasks are managed properly. So aside from this, so now let's say you have a task, but yeah, I need to have ideas like what are we supposed to do at the event proper, or what do we need to remember when it comes to deadlines, or what contingency plans do we need to do. So Idea generation. So one of the benefits of ChatGPT is its ability to generate creative ideas and solutions. Okay. Now, how do we do this? So when you are brainstorming project plans or problem solving during implementation, so ChatGPT can provide valuable insights or suggestions. So we can try asking it, like, what are some innovative approaches to solve a certain problem? So let's say, can you suggest innovative approaches when it comes to uh making making sure the event starts on time? Okay, let's see. So here, he summarizes a couple of suggestions, which says automated alerts and reminders, a virtual waiting room, a countdown clock, a VIP early access. Oh, pre-show activities that are interactive, live entertainment. There's an event host engagement, incentives for punctuality or access links, and time signal. So here you can get ideas that you can impart on your team when planning your project. Okay. So what else? Well, aside from this, so Chat GPT can also help you automate some of your routine tasks, maybe summarizing meeting or helping you summarize ideas that you made, help fix your grammar, and how to make it into a proper table form. Okay, so let's see. Let's try using some data here on our Excel. So let's say here is a list of here suppliers. Let's say you have various suppliers with different budgets or offers, and maybe how fast they can deliver. So maybe you can say that, can you analyze this data regarding the speed of days of delivery versus the suppliers offer versus the budget, given budget. I'm not sure, but let's see what if he could understand my interpretation here. Okay, so well, this one is a more or less a graph representing the data that we input. So each point represents a supplier's offer. The position on this axis now represents the number of days they would take to complete, and this one is the amount. Okay, so the suppliers with the budget are labeled properly, and B. So here's A. It's a bit confusing, but see, you analyze this data, and tell me who is the best supplier. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this one is a bit of a uh long analysis of it. It's not in a table form though. So here, each supplier was given the offer and their budget. Okay. Here it says suppliers A, D, and E have offers within the budget with no reasonable completion times. Considering all factors, it seems that supplier E appears to be the best supplier in this scenario, offering a competitive price within the budget and ensuring a timely delivery. Okay, so that's it. So, in case you have a lot of data and you need someone to help you analyze it, so you could probably ask GPT to help you out in giving a proper report. Okay, so what else? Well, so all in all, so ChatGPT could really help you make your project management quite easier. So it is here to help you out, give you ideas, support you in doing different instructions. So this one is using ChatGPT 3.5. So there is also an option for ChatGPT 4. So this is their smartest and most capable model, includes style, e-browsing, etc. So you need to upgrade your membership in ChatGPT for this. So there's a plus version, which is $20 per month, or the team version, which is $25 per month. So here, if you do purchase either of these two upgrades, so it will help you do more team related works, especially the team option here. So create and share GPTs with your workspace, higher message caps, advanced data analysis, admin and console workspace for the management, team data, etc. So that one is useful if you're doing a project managed activity or task. Okay, so plus is a bit more uh upgraded from the usual free version. So you can ask it to do more properly made graphs or pie charts, etc. And there are some plugins that you can also use integrated into ChatGPT. Okay, so I think that's all for our tutorial and overview of how to use ChatGPT for project management. I hope you guys were able to get an idea how to use it and what other things we can do with this powerful AI tool. So, if you guys have any questions, feel free to send them at the comments and I'll try to get back to you. Okay, so I hope you were able to learn more and see you guys on our next video. Bye.